can get the car
Oh, dude,
turned.
you can hammer up through there.
You can go straight up here,
Yeah.
and then when you hit that cone, you lift a little bit so the car doesn't want to jump, and then as soon as it goes over that crest, you just get it back into it.
I
That's
got my foot in it.
Yeah.
I modulated a little bit, and then yeah.
I can't do it.
And then you hit the brakes hard before the turn.
It's just too scary going around.
Oh.
I gotta let up.
You have more tire on your car than anybody here. On the end of this front straight, we heard it go ding, ding, ding!
Oh, coming in around the back.
Coming it right through here onto the front. The
Oh,
first
yeah,
turn.
yeah. When you come out, look that little turn there.
Stay right. Just stay right. You're all right.
And then,
If you get left, you're
yeah.
yeah.
And
And then the turn before you go downhill, and way late apex, stay right, and doing way late apex, and you can just hammer down the hill.
Oh, the brakes are getting used to the brakes too, so that's adding. Going from the vet to that to this. I mean, your manual brakes, so you got to be.
You gotta stand on.
You got to get used to it. So, where's my? How far do I dive in? Trying to figure that out with cars, so I know.
Dude, you should be into ABS on every braking event.
Oh yeah,
So yeah.
But that's my just where me feeling it in the car and what the capabilities.
So it's not gonna lock them. So
Yeah.
just hit them hard and see what happens. You should feel them into ABS every time. Just on the big braking events. Yeah, just let it.
Okay.
what's going on?
So this is the first time we've run it since we changed the fuel cell, and it has no fuel pressure. I got 34 pounds of fuel pressure on it.
4 pumps feeding a surge tank with a main pump and the trap doors. So if the trap doors are in the wrong direction, it could be
Not letting
starting
fuel
it in,
or
or
there's foam shoved in there against the trap doors and they're stuck.
something to where we're not pulling from the main tank.